10 things to say to your crush to make them like you. Sometimes it's hard to know what to say in order to make a great impression. Luckily, there are some tried and true phrases that can help get your crush to notice you. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best things to say to your crush to make them like you. Read on to find out what they are and how to use them effectively. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. 1. Compliments. Compliments are a powerful way to make your crush notice you and feel special. Everyone loves to be praised and acknowledged for their qualities and efforts. When giving compliments, it's important to be genuine and sincere. Find something about your crush that you genuinely appreciate and admire. It could be their intelligence, sense of humor, kindness, or even their style. The key is to focus on something specific rather than a generic compliment. 2. Ask for their opinion. Asking for someone's opinion is a great way to show them that you value their thoughts and perspectives. This is particularly important when it comes to your crush, as it allows you to start building a deeper connection with them. 3. Show interest in their hobbies/interests. One of the easiest ways to bond with someone is by taking an interest in the things they enjoy doing. This is especially true when it comes to your crush. By showing that you care about the things that they care about, you demonstrate that you are willing to take the time to get to know them and what makes them tick. 4. Share a funny joke or story. Humor is a great way to break the ice with your crush. Sharing a funny joke or story can help you show off your wit and personality, while also making your crush laugh. When you make someone laugh, you're more likely to be seen as someone who is enjoyable to be around. One important thing to keep in mind is that the joke or story should be appropriate and not offensive. Avoid jokes or stories that are crude or rely on offensive stereotypes. You want to make your crush feel good, not uncomfortable. 5. Give genuine and sincere praise. Everybody loves receiving praise, and your crush is no different. However, the key here is to make sure your compliments are genuine and sincere. Don't just throw out generic compliments, as they might come off as insincere and backfire. 6. Be vulnerable and share something personal. Opening up and sharing something personal with your crush can be a scary and intimidating experience, but it can also be incredibly effective in building a deeper connection with them. By showing vulnerability and allowing your crush to see a more authentic side of you, you are creating a foundation for trust and intimacy. 7. Offer help or support. Another great way to win your crush over is by offering to help or support them in any way you can. Whether they're going through a tough time, facing a challenge at work, or simply need someone to lend a listening ear, being there for them will make a big impression. 8. Use their name in conversation. Using someone's name in conversation is a simple but effective way to show that you are interested in them and value their presence. It can also create a sense of intimacy and familiarity. Start by introducing yourself and repeating their name to make sure you remember it. When you are speaking with them, try to use their name at least once or twice in the conversation, but don't overdo it and make it seem unnatural. 9. Be positive and encouraging. People love to be around those who make them feel good, so it's important to radiate positivity in your interactions with them. Some examples of positive and encouraging things to say to your crush include: "You always bring a smile to my face. I love spending time with you. You have a great attitude, and it's contagious. I appreciate your positivity. I admire your determination and drive. You inspire me to work harder." 10. Express your appreciation and gratitude. Last but definitely not least, expressing your appreciation and gratitude towards your crush can go a long way in making them like you. Showing that you value them and their presence in your life can make them feel special and appreciated. Thank them for their time and attention. Whether it's after a date or a conversation, thanking your crush for taking the time to talk to you or spend time with you can show them that you appreciate their effort. Thanks for watching.